Hello, Braden here. Just a little update. Got an early spring cleaning and organization going on in the shop the past couple of days because I finally got something to hook up some heat here. It's been colder than a witch's tit, but this little thing does a good job. And it's within budget. So, but here's a little knife I'm working on right now. Doing some file work on the top of it. I don't know if you can really see it. Probably finish up the file work tonight. Maybe I'll put the rest of that on there before I throw this up. But yeah, I'm happy. Getting everything organized, and it's about, I don't know, 10 o'clock at night here or so. Darker than hell out. It's quiet, and I like it. So, well, that's it. They say if I get that knife done tonight, which I probably will. Well, the file anyway, work. I'll put that on. Got these scales that are going to go on it. I think somewhere. Oh, here they are. The temporary pegs in them, just to... They're walnut. Taken from the heart of a black walnut that I got a bunch of, so I'm happy about that. But yeah. Alright, well, we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.